Okay na. Female. Female. Male ka na lang. Tomboy ka.
No, bitch.
Hala, di ko na-pick. Normal. Nasaan na female?
Yeah. I'm scared.
Episode 3.
Norwood. Hitchhike.
June 5th. Tagal ah.
Oh my gosh.
It was summer break. I decided to go to a gaming concert. Oh. Okay na yan.
Fine.
Ano?
Why did you take the plane? I told you
Didn't.
to expect you, right?
Kind of broke right now.
Driving my car.
Driving with my
That runs over the break down anytime. No, I'm scared.
We're in the middle. I know I just had to wait this time because I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. Oh, I see.
That's
Sabi
it.
ko na nga pa.
Oh,
Because it's so quiet in here.
real.
I was running up fast. No! Gas station. Diba? Of course. Diba?
I get.
Oh, you receive a message. Long!
I'm dog.
Who's... Bro, look at this!
What door? Eh.
Wait, I'm stuck. Take up your phone.
I'll take the phone out.
Press it. Bring some food. Dog food. This guy is getting...
I'm so yeah.
Here you go.
What is that? 9.99.
Daw. Anong pinik mo?
The first one.
Okay, here you go. Also, can I get a gas for my car?
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Is there a compliment? Yes. Oh, bakit ko sinabi?
You joking?
Okay, that's okay.
Nani. Yes. Wow. So pretty. I'm in the dark.
You can do that by yourself. It isn't safe out there at this time. Something bad going on.
I'm kind of scared.
You're in the middle of nowhere, of course.
Really? No!
Yeah, people have gone missing down there. People who went looking for them never came back.
No.
Baka madami pa tayo.
Real.
The police say the Norwood ghost turned them into pieces. Anong pinik mo ko siya?
I can't
Binabasa mo ba?
out.
Well, you can find out. Have a good YouTube.
Uy, lalaki yun eh.
Oh, well.
One more thing. Don't ever stop on the road.
Okay.
Oh no!
Who's that?
A stalker or something?
Don't know. So something as I was doing. Actually, guys, I don't know. I didn't saw it.
Said you saw something, man.
Maybe illusional.
Understand, dude.
I thought the bank with the corner. Oh, sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Got this body.
Okay. I didn't feel safe staying outside. Couldn't stay in the
I'm
gas
getting in the car, but
station.
I'm scared.
Of course, bro. There's a ghost.
The Norway.
That will turn us
No!
into pieces.
We're gonna stop.
That's I think the van.
I think the van will come to us.
My car broke down. Yummy.
And yan.
Badak. Okay, badak kung siguro. Hindi nga
Hmm.
tayo pwede mag-stop, diba?
Sabi ng
Oh, may chat.
actually.
Dad, may... Bakit tayo? Start? Pag 10:30
No.
p.m.
No.
I will probably
Kung ako yan, lalabas na ako.
Bakit sa cellphone na yung
Please,
40?
help! Help me! Help me!
Please help. Oh, it's that dog.
Help me!
Dog, look at this dog. It's so
Oh my god, you're so cute!
God.
The me. Talk to the
Say-
driver, bro.
Take us home.
You're the girl from the gas station. What are you doing here? Oh my gosh, it's the next guy.
Thank you for stopping. Thanks, bro.
Thanks, bro. My car broke down. Please help.
Yes, help.
Help!
Help us.
Where are you heading to?
I don't know.
Piniki, mahabang sagot.
Kung ano kasi wala mong sagot. Ay, yung tama. Diba?
Yun ang tama. Hurry up, get your bag. Get your bag.
In the back of the car.
Tapos may tao.
Wala yun. Tara.
Get a luggage, bro. Oh, shoot.
What? Where are you going to put it in? Saan? Saan
Saan
na?
nilalagay?
Saan nilalagay doon?
I throw it.
Here?
We throw it, bro.
What's up? Wait
We
lang.
throw
I
it!
draw it.
Oh my god.
I can draw the snack. Thank you. I can eat it. Ooh.
I can't
Hey, I'm so good.
get in there.
Hey,
I'm just scared.
scared of what?
Let's go!
So you're not gonna tell me where you... I just told you.
I was driving.
I was driving. Di ba siya kakasabi nun? Ay, hindi. Iba siguro ito si Jeff. Ha?
Baka yung pangalan niya, Jeff.
Jeff the Killer. My name is Jason.
I'm Jeff.
I'm Kai. I'm Kai.
I'm Jeff.
I'm Kai. Lo, nag-stop na naman. Oh! I didn't saw that.
Okay, but don't leave me behind, you dumb fool.
Yeah, don't leave us behind. Don't betray us, okay?
Yes. You dummy. Tapos iniwan tayo eh, no?
Sapakin ko to.
Bali, magpapasagutaan ako.
Ah!
Legos! Oh,
Bro, stop!
how?
You gonna drag them by your stick.
Oh. I
Okay,
can't
I'm going
push
back.
mine.
Yours.
I can't push mine where? Oh.
Go leave us behind. Okay? Oh my god! We did it! No! Oh, Ariel. Hindi ko na-expect your brave woman. Thank
Do
you.
you have any idea what happened to your car back there?
There's a stone! Must be a bit. No, I don't know. No. What do you think about what the gas station guy told you?
You really,
He kicked me out.
really creeped me out.
Dapat ba? Sabi ba yun? Battery.
It just tells everybody the same story.
What do you think about
the ghost?
yeah?
No.
Think about the ghosts. Bro,
What the heck?
ano nga tayo sa?
Wow.
I've seen it myself, but bad things happen and I'm sure your car breaking down.
I wanna stop it. If you're not.
Remember, don't trust anybody. But who can I trust it?
Mom.
Mama. No, don't worry.
Yes.
I'm scared.
It might broke down.
Don't trust anybody. Paano kung
Motel to boy.
Yeah, motel.
6, 7!
Saan?
6, 7.
6,
Nakalagay
7.
sa motel.
6, 7.
6, 7. 6, 7 motel.
Thank you again. Have a great night, sir. But what the hell?
Blue whatever.
Hi, sir. The man was curious. Girl, do you
Yeah.
need a book?
Yeah, girl.
Yeah,
I
girl.
need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6, 7.
Yeah. 6, 7 motel.
Yeah, 6,
Six, seven.
Six, seven.
$40 per room. Okay.
Girl, we don't even have one. Pay cash. Pay cash.
Cash. Yeah, cash. Cash.
Room number 3.
3? That's my favorite number.
What's the number?
Ha, 3.
23.
Nasa atin na yung susi.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. I'll
Wala
try my
pa.
best. Ano sabi? I'll try.
Ano daw ako para pa dito?
Okay. Ba't may bomba dito? Bazooka. My car broke down and I need somebody to fix it. How much is it to fix my broken car? Huh? Huh?
Huh?
Huh?
Who are doing
I think we're
it?
talking about bios.
Where's the vending machine?
Yun.
Ooh. Okay.
Ano? Wag,
I buy Coca bottle.
you buy it? I was choosing some. No.
Oh.
Coca-Cola ka agad eh. Ay, Dad. This is phone. Phone, bro. What happened? Where are you?
Lock.
Send me your location now.
6-7.
We're in the 6-7 motel.
7 Coca.
Why? Are you okay?
Pwede ka mag
Hindi nagde-deliver. Doon namin signal siguro. I have to stay in the 6-7 motel.
7!
Oh, you.
Oh, shit.
Hindi nag.
May computer dito eh, no?
Ikaw na bahala.
Can't move. I can't. Babe.
Ikaw na. Oh, yung ito! Ay, akala ko. Nag-illusion ako! Pag dito may jumpscare. Ba't walang ano?
You!
May jumpscare sa bathroom na I remember.
Ikaw na.
Ikaw!
Ikaw!
First
act.
Oh, pinanood ko yung video ni Keiso, kaya ikaw mauuna. Kasi para malaman mo kung ano. Let's go together! Let's go together.
Oh, welcome on! What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that.
Dapat number 4 to.
Bro! Oh, sorry, I'm Tom. But you can call me Tom.
Get out of my porch.
It should be, I'm Tommy. You can call me Tom. What is it? Tommy. Hey!
No! Why are we gonna go outside, Mom?
I'm sorry. In my head, that's a problem.
Huh? I didn't pick it!
I did. Oh my gosh, my bad.
Let's get our luggage.
But this is the longest answer. Ikaw na! Ikaw na!
Sabay tayo.
Uy, ikaw ko na uuna eh!
Uy! Sige.
Ikaw ako na uuna.
1, 2, 3.
Ikaw. Ako na uuna!
Okay, sabay na yan.
Yan, di yung isa-isa. Dapat ganyan.
Hawak tayo.
Ah. So, pag talaga may nilagay kong camera dito,
Real.
creepy na. I've talked to the reception about your car. Thanks. Police. Don't worry, I'll go get your car. Something out there. Yeah, be careful, Tom.
Di ba nga nung minog
I think-
lags tapos,
Ano?
di ba?
May jump scare!
Yeah.
He's wearing a white t-shirt, right? Ano? What is
Is everything okay, bud?
Is everything okay? Ano sabi niya?
Sabi niya, what is wrong with these people? Kidnappers are in this town.
Where?
Kidnappers. But don't worry again.
Oh.
Safe in this place.
You sure it's safe here? You sure? You sure?
Oh, does this room have a phone?
Ano pinik mo?
Oh, does this room have a phone?
I think so.
didn't get anything. Just ask the person.
Why doesn't have a phone?
Real.
Ring phone. Ito, Tommy.
Oh my gosh.
Tom. Oh my gosh, look at,
We can chat all. I love this.
yeah. We can chat? Hello? Ay, hindi natin
Pero
masasend.
hindi natin.
Help.
Breaking news. A kidnapper is on the loose.
Huh?
And this is what he looks like.
Hilo.
Cops say he drives
Ito?
a white van.
Yung nag-jump scare sa atin?
Dangerous.
Yeah.
If you come across him, run away.
Oh, that's the white van, bro. I
I
think,
saw the white van.
yeah, if you come across him, run away.
Run away!
What if he's faster than me? Where are you going? I'm not moving until you move. Go to sleep. Ah, okay.
Sabi tayong dalawa.
Wait na nangangalit. Ganito na.
Megan!
No!
Sa babig!
Dito. Lapit ka dito, bro.
I'm scared! Oh my god!
Who's that, bro?
Oh, it's Tommy!
I don't think so. My inspector told me to get up ba?
Yeah.
6, 7! Yeah, 6, 7. Tara. Ikaw mauna. Kasi lady.
We're both ladies!
Okay, fine. Ano nga pala?
Sabay tayo eh.
Nabagalan ko.
Uh-huh.
Ah.
It's home. I think this is just the same ending.
Wait lang. Huwag ka mo.
Dalawa na tayo habang bibili. I want
ito. Expression na lang ako. Hot latte.
At latte.
Hot latte. Bye. It's here. It's free though. Right? It says $0.00. Yeah. Nagbibix box yes.
That's great.
Ah! Oh my God!
Scared.
Ay, hindi yung mic ko pala pala.
I can't see anything.
Go to... Okay, buti na ng...
I can't see.
I think it's voice. We're voice.
Kaya pala 0 3 eh. 0 0.
Okay. Oh, we
I think we're stabbed by the man.
we got knocked off. I don't know. Grabe naman. Puwit na puwit tayo. Yung bogey mo. Who is it?
Yeah, ano na totoo?
Yan. Hey, it's me, Tommy. Open the door. Are you sure it's Tommy?
Open it up, wait it up, bro, wait it up. You don't know if it's Tommy or not.
Yeah. Oh, it's Tommy. I found you on the ground. I locked your door. Ano tong sound? Are you okay now? Your eyes are red. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. There's a kidnapper on the loose.
Why are you
Making goofy sounds. Huh?
No,
What do you mean goofy sounds? Sir, this motoscope is boot.
Oh!
Anong tingin? Weh! Wala naman nakalagay doon na! Tingnan mo!
We got no coffee machine. Oh.
But, pero that it's right over there.
Oh no, we got poisoned, ba?
I guess I'm the crazy one here.
No.
I hate this job. Did I pick the wrong one? Go to the cop.
Wait, bro! Don't wait!
Let's go. Wala! Oh, tingnan mo.
Oh, there's nothing.
Diba?
We're crazy!
Oh, that's the kidnapper!
Oh.
It's in the room 5 ba?
I'm scared. So many cops. Where is it?
I guess it was right here. I can't find it.
Paano na mahanap?
Wala, oh, dasan ka? Nandito! Go back to your room, don't come out.
Why are you angry?
I think you space up by
That's
us.
still near the TV. It will help you.
Oh, I don't think.
No, I don't think I would eat that one.
Bro.
Bro!
Bro. Okay, that ban is right.
Yeah.
Did they kill somebody?
I think they. Why was it in his arm?
Can't believe it. What's that sound again? What's that sound again?
No, I can't hear it. No. Are you okay?
What? Can I turn it off? Turn off!
I just turned it off. Dad! No.
Turn
Ay,
off.
nagtitinda tayo.
Yan na. Yan na. Ano yan?
Ano yun? Mag-drive.
Fine guys, I'ma drive back as soon as the car starts. It'll be okay, don't you
Did you
worry.
drink the pills?
No.
Nice guy.
I got this nice
Tapos
guy called Tommy by
kidnapper
my side. So na naman! Hindi.
The pill black me.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Tom is bad guy.
How do you
I think
do you,
baka siya kasapi siya ng ano.
that's hindi pa natin alam, okay. How do I turn this off? Dad, help us. There's somebody outside of our door. And it's the kidnapper has a white t-shirt and it's the absolutely no! I don't feel go outside. Don't go
It's
outside.
called the
Let's hide in here. Can I hide in here?
Okay.
Oh, hi. I booked you a flight back home. Leave that rusty car. Just reach home safely, dear.
Thank you, Dad.
Don't talk to any guys out there. Yeah, we're not open the door for strangers. Thanks, Dad. Oh, his bang is so bad. I'll help you.
It's the kid.
Guys, just open the door. Sorry, I don't need your help.
Oh no, it's gonna.
Sorry, I don't need your help.
Wow, you win! Wow.
I know you're in there. Of course.
Thank you, Shawa.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Happened. Just making sure we can understand ourselves. Oh my, I just want to talk to you. Please leave or I'm calling
Do
the
you
cops.
like me?
Nah. Can we hide in here? Is this a hiding spot? Shani,
Really ready. Oh, he likes
Bro.
me. He likes
come on. Or okay, we hide.
Oh,
Shani! Can you hide in here?
I don't know.
I will get you.
No, I think we're gonna give an objective to hide.
Nah.
Don't
Choose.
open it.
No, don't open the door.
Of course. We're dumb.
Oh shit!
Oh, eh.
I hid in the crossbar. Oh, close it!
Close it too. Close it too.
Hide.
Hide!
Ayun na, hide na tayo.
I think we're dead.
Yan, oh shit, she's angry.
He's angry.
That's the
He
kidnapper.
really likes me, guys.
No. Oh.
No, she's gonna go.
She.
Oh, he's gonna go.
Please don't go look to the closet.
Yo.
Yo!
Tommy,
I said to the
my bega. Let's go!
You saved my life that day. She's such a good cat. I went home on the airplane. Oh, my dad doesn't know about this story at all. I've never gone on a long trips again.
Okay, that was it.
Hey, he's dead or he's not.
He's dead.
I hope he's dead. Good ending. Tom arrived before it was too late. You escaped the kidnapper, but you will never drink anything.
Bro, there's...
For a vending machine again. Saan magaling yung vending machine na yun?
Okay, bro. That was easy.
Dahil nga din mic. Ah!
Let's play the Minecraft thing. And let's make people.
Narinig niya! Make the game.
Let's play the Minecraft in grade 2 people. Mababan daw yung Roblox dito.
Who said that?
Sa Pinas. Ewan.
Some of them said that fake news. Some of them tells that that's real. I don't know. I'm not sure. Look at this guy spinning around.
Are so good head.
Yeah.
You are so